Hello, everyone. It is your girl, Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I am back again to teach you another line dance. And thank you, everyone, for always clicking on these videos, and leaving me a comment. I appreciate you so very kindly. If you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the step-by-step instructions. You want to dance to the music? Watch till the end and let's dance together. Guys, we are getting ready for the 4-day line dance weekend, the Nola Southern Experience. July the 16th through the 19th, 2026. It'll be here before you know it. Registration opens this year, June 1st, 2025. Please visit our website for detailed information at www.LMIUNOLA.com. Instructors, friends, please don't give your people bits and pieces of information. Please refer them to the website. That's where you register and that's where you book your room. Do not go outside of the group booking, okay? Don't go to a third party. Don't call the hotel. Go to our website, okay? Because if you have any problems, we can help you if you're in our group booking, okay? All right. This next dance I'm going to teach you, it is called Country Girl. No, Cowgirl. It's called Cowgirl. So we got Country Girl, right? This is Cowgirl, all right? And it is a four-wall dance that moves counterclockwise. So this goes perfectly with your theme party, okay? So let's go. So I'm going to stand on this wall right here, and it starts with footwork. So our weight is going to be on the left, and we're going to do a double tap to the front and to the back, and do 4 singles, front, back, and this is how it goes. Double, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's do that again. Turn to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and double, double, single, 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 single. All right? Now, we're going to step on the right. We're going to do a quarter turn, and we're going to lift with the knee. We step 1, 2, 3, 4, step back 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we make a quarter turn to our right, and then we come back and make a quarter turn coming back to our wall. Okay? And as we step, we're going to step on that right first. You're doing knee lifts. 5, 6, 7, and right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn 7, 8. All right? So on 8, you right back here, put your knee up. So let's put both of those together. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Double. 1, 2, 3, 4, single. 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right? Real simple, right? It's a simple dance, but you can have fun with it, especially at your Western theme parties, okay? All right, then you're going to go to the right, okay? So we're going to do the hand gesture here. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So remember I told you it was a 4-wall dance that moving counterclockwise. So when you do your vine here, you're going to do a turn and do a vine to your left, okay? So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's the end of the dance. All right? So you just did 4 vines. 1 to the right, and then you do this hand gesture right here. And when you hear the music, you're going to know exactly why. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn it to your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, here, my weight is on the left, my right heel is up, and I start the dance over. Moving counterclockwise, four-wall dance, turning to your left, okay? Now, let's put it all together. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Double tap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Single. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. With the rodeo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then you start all over again. So let me start at this wall here, and we'll get a chance to do it at least 2 times before you need to look back to the camera, at the camera. 5, 6, so stand on this side, look in this direction, okay? So we're gonna do it at this wall, and we're gonna turn to our left, moving counterclockwise. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, double tap. 1, 2, 3, 4, single. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right. Fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do it again. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Step turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn back. 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then you do it again, okay? Same thing at each wall, moving counterclockwise. So I taught you 2 versions of Country Girl. This is Cowgirl, all right? Get your hats, get your boots, and have fun with it, instructors. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think. I hope to see you at the Nola Southern Experience 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans. We're celebrating 10 years. Okay, this is our 5th year giving it. We give it every other year. The 4 previous times that we've given this event, it is sold out. So we know we're going to sell out. I just want to make sure my regulars get in, because I know some people have never missed a Nola Southern Experience. So I want to make sure you get in to give you all the information. Please go over to our website, the Nola Southern Experience Line Dance Extravaganza, July the 16th through the 19th, 2026. That's next year. But we're opening registration June 1st, 2025 of this year. Please visit our website to find out just about the details of the event itself. You're going to book your room at our website. You're not going to call the hotel. You're not going to Google it, okay? Don't do that. Please go to our website, and to register, you go back to our website, www.LMIUNOLA.com. And instructors, if you plan on bringing your people or you plan on coming, guess what? We already have a partial playlist on our website. Scroll down to the bottom with all the information we give you. We already started our playlist. And that's it. That is Country Cowgirl. Cowgirl. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.